I just know I found myself getting lost with you. Lately you just make me work too hard for you. Got me on flight of seas and I still can't get across.
Hey everyone, today we're going to do this look. I'm going to an event, a very fancy event, so I wanted to do glowy skin as usual. It's very important for me. As a 46-year-old woman, I want my skin to glow, so I'll do anything. If you want to know how and how to do this eye look, this a little bit purplish eye look, subtle but fresh and summery. So come on, join me on this tutorial. I will get you through this. I hope you like this video, and if you do, that gives it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. I will begin with the IT Cosmetics CC Color Corrector Full Coverage Cream with Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum plus 50 SPF, because this event is in the sun and I must have a sunscreen all over my face. So I'm going to put this, and I'm going to use this brush. So I'm going to take some more just for my decollete. I have to hurry up because I'm a bit late with my preparation. I'm going to do manicure and pedicure and whatever, so it took me some time. The woman that does this to me, she's very nice, and we chat and whatever, and it's Friday noon, so you know, time flew by. We're talking about clothes and stuff, so I didn't pay attention to time, and now I'm in a bit of a hurry. This was the IT Cosmetics CC cream with SPF 50. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and in the meantime I'm going to put Milani eye primer all over my lid as a preparation for the eyeshadows. Now I'm going to add my beloved foundation, the Elizabeth Arden Flawless Finish, that I can swear by. I'm going to take 2 pumps and lay it all over the skin. I just love the finish of this foundation. It's so good, a bit dewy, very fresh, and it always makes my skin looks good. You see the dewiness? It looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna take care of my brows, and for my brows I'm going to mix these two. It's one is a dark brownish grayish color eyeshadow, and one is my IT Cosmetics almost used up bronzer. I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to take just a little bit from here, mix it with this one. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and today I wish to use Lure and Lucid, those two. Maybe I will add a little bit from Dimension, the gray purpley one. I'm going to start on my crease as a transition color, Everglow Jade palette, highlighter palette, and I'm going to use this pink. Now I'm going to take Lure By the way, I'm using a Real Technique crease brush.
Never let me down. Oh, it's been a hell of a ride, driving the edge of a knife. Never let you go, never let me down.
I'm going to take Real Techniques base shadow brush, and I'm going to take Lure as well and just put it in the outer corner. I'm going to cut the eyelid to 3, and I'm going to put in the outer third the Lure color. In the middle I'm going to take Dimension, and in the inner corner with the same brush I'm going to take Lucid. And I'm going to take a third brush. This one is the original brush from the Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to pat it to a little bit soften the transitions. Like so. And to blend a little bit on the crease and above the crease, so everything will look very soft. This is it. I don't want to blend anymore because I like the transitions of the colors. I'm going to put me some liner. I'm going to use Essence eyeliner pen that I always use. Told you I have 3 eyeliners that I like. One by Bourjois, one by Essence, and one by Jade Cosmetics. All the 3 of them are so good. They do not smudge, they are very precise, easy to work with. And they are very black, so I find it very, very satisfying to work with those 3, and all the others just find their way to the garbage. All the other I tried and they were not as good as, and I don't have time to play games. I don't have time to mess with my makeup while I'm doing it. I want it to be precise, I want it to be good, I want the eyeshadows to have a good color payoff. And this is why what is not working is out of the system. This is it. I'm just going to put mascara, and I'm going to use my Perfect Lash Princess mascara by Essence that costs just $3 or $4 max. And it is the greatest. You have my best recommendation about this mascara. So you guys, this is it for the eyes. I'm going to move to some bronzing. I'm going to use my butter bronzer. just love the way it smells. I'm gonna take some bronzer, put it on very quickly. Moving on to blush, I'm going to use Infallible palette by L'Oreal. This is how it looks, and I'm going to take the lighter one over here. It is called Peony Rose. Just love this color, and it really is the most subtle pink I have ever seen. And I'm going to finish with some highlighting. This highlighter is by Jade Cosmetics, which I love, 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 love their products. And I'm going to take the pink one, just very slightly. The whole skin is dewy because I used the Elizabeth Arden Flawless Finish, and I'm using a very light strokes of highlighter, and I don't need anything more than that. So just some gloss. I'm going to start by Kiko Milani Instant Color Matte Liquid Color 01, this one. And I'm going to use Tarte Lip Surgeon. This is a lip gloss, very wet lip gloss, to just keep my lips a little bit moist. Just a little bit. I do not forget to put some highlighter on my décolleté, so I'm going to take the Everglow palette. I'm going to use the light one and the gold one and just light my décolleté. Oh, that's a lot, Elinor, this is a lot. I will have to just a little bit work it in because it's just a lot. And here I have some glow. Nice glow. Yeah, I'm glowing. Well guys, this is it. I must go and get dressed and go to this event that I'm invited to. I hope you had fun. I hope you find this tutorial informative and that you liked what you see. And if you did, then you're more than invited to subscribe to me. Hit that notification button so you'll see my next videos. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you really soon. Have a good day.
Never told you you'd have it.
I just don't understand it.